హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అండి. మనకైతే కనుక 50% సేల్లో నడుస్తున్నటువంటి కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్ అండి. మీకు 5 సైజెస్ కూడా అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. దీంట్లో ఎల్, ఎం, ఎక్స్ఎల్, డబుల్ ఎక్స్ఎల్ అండ్ త్రిబుల్ ఎక్స్ఎల్ వరకు సైజ్ అనేది అవైలబుల్గా ఉంది. ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి మీరు ఏ కుర్తీ తీసుకున్నా ఎనీ సైజ్ మనకి 500 రూపీస్ అండి. ఈసారి మనకి మమతా స్టోర్స్ నుంచి అయితే కనుక డెఫినెట్గా ఆన్లైన్ సపోర్ట్ కూడా ఇస్తున్నారు. మినిమం 5 కుర్తీస్ తీసుకోవాలండి. షిప్పింగ్ ఛార్జెస్ అనేది 200 రూపీస్. మీరు అంతకుమించి ఎన్ని తీసుకున్నా సరే ఓన్లీ షిప్పింగ్ అయితే కనుక అంతే ఉంటుందండి. సో మనకి ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా అంతా కూడా షిప్పింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంది. సో ఎలా ఉన్నాయి కుర్తీ కలెక్షన్స్ అని ఇంకా లేట్ ఎందుకు చూసేద్దాం. చలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, మినిమం 50 కుర్తీస్ అయితే కనుక ఈ రోజు మన వీడియోలో.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
Good sir, good afternoon.
Great. All right. Good evening friends. My name is Kamal and you have reached Mamta's collection. और आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ amazing variety of kurtis. You know the kind of kurtis I'm going to show you. It's great variety at a direct manufacturing price. We are manufacturing the kurtis and giving directly to our customers instead of giving to shopkeepers or any kind of a retailers. We are going to give you the direct consumer. The variety मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ, don't miss it, don't skip the video because minimum 50 varieties of kurtis I'm going to show you with the rates. Okay. Alright, so don't miss it. So let's start the video without wasting time.
Yes sir.
Alright, now I'm going to show you this variety. See, one of the beautiful varieties. This is latest one with pockets, cotton hai, excellent quality hai, and I'm going to give you some more information on the kind of product it is. Now see, these are buttons, again designer buttons, excellent quality of piece. This is actual costing 950 rupees, but we are going to give you only for 500 rupees. I give you guarantee for the price, guarantee for the quality. Even after wash, color stays the same. There'll be no shrinkage, nothing, and we are manufacturing directly and giving you at this throwaway price. I'll show you some more variety so you have an idea what kind of variety we have. Now ये देखिए, ये भी लेटेस्ट वैरायटी है कुर्ती, सिमिलर काइंड है बट काइंड ऑफ कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, कलर इज एक्सेलेंट विद पॉकेट्स, very durable and we have lot of corporate customers. So ये आप as an office wear पहन सकते हैं, as a regular wear पहन सकते हैं, as पार्टी वगैरह में भी पहन सकते हैं. It look very very beautiful. Again this is going to cost you only 500 rupees. Now so this is one more print. Why I'm showing you this is we have received yesterday, so I requested madam कि आप आइए so our customers can take an advantage of this. Right now see, this is kind of again a frock kurti. ब्यूटिफुल वैरायटी. ये आपको 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है मार्केट में, मिनिमम 1250 रुपीज, बट वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्राइस ओनली फॉर 500. एक्सेलेंट क्वालिटी, वेरी सॉफ्ट क्वालिटी, इवन आफ्टर वॉश इट स्टेज द सेम. इसका कलर जाता नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बिकॉज इसका प्रोसेस ही वैसा है, बिकॉज इट्स अ मिल वॉशिंग, मिल प्रोसेसिंग एंड वी यूज अ काइंड ऑफ अ केमिकल विच हेल्प्स for the durability of this kurti and which is again eco-friendly ma'am. आप पहनोगे it will be so comfortable and very very durable also. Now I'm going to show you some more variety as I promised you. Minimum 50 kurtis मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ. Now this kind of beautiful kurtis, even if you like it any of these you can send in screenshot ma'am. Okay. Now see, this is one of the checks में आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में जो नया variety है checks में भी. Now see this kind of also frock kind of a model. Now this is a foil printing ma'am. नॉर्मली दूसरे कस्टमर्स बोलते हैं अरे हम बाहर से लिए थे, फॉइल प्रिंटिंग जाता है. ये फॉइल प्रिंटिंग नहीं जाएगा बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग अ स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ अ केमिकल विच हेल्प्स टू सस्टेन दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रिंट. आप वॉश करो, नॉर्मल वॉश करो, हैंड वॉश करो, machine wash karo, there will be no problem. Even in our family, my wife she uses it, my mom she uses it, my sister, everybody in our family they wear this kind of kurti, so there is no problem. It's all tried and tested. And one important thing is we have thousands of very very satisfied customers. Now we the location हम जो located है ना ma'am, we are surrounded by lot of employees staying around. There are a lot of crowd, so we have regular customers, they come, they buy, they use it, something like that. And the best part, it's only for 500. ये आपको 1250 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला. I give you guarantee 500 only. So in case if you like it, you can take up a screenshot and ask for it. See this again beautiful printing, amazing kurti. ये boutique piece है ma'am, and this is going to cost you only 500. Will you believe it? It's 500. It has never been this price. You will not get anywhere. ये कम से कम आपको 1500 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला, but we are giving you only for 500 rupees. I'm going to show you some more variety so you get an idea. ये देखिए ikat print. This is one of the beautiful fast moving article. It's very comfortable, very durable. The kind of buttons we have been using is all designer buttons, wooden buttons है, quality is great. No, अभी mill washing ऐसा रहेगा मैम, white देख रहे हैं, this is the indication of a mill washing, which big brands they use it and they sell it for 1500. We are selling it directly manufacturing price to our customers for 500 rupees only. Beautiful variety, and the best part is you can wear it on any legging irrespective of color. You don't have to buy extra legging for our kurtis, because even if you wear on jeans, you wear it on old legging, these kurtis will dominate so much कि किसका ध्यान भी नहीं जाएगा what you are wearing. It's so nice, so beautiful. You see, this is one of the designer piece. ये traditional kind of design है. If you see this, we have been selling it since long, but still super running article with beautiful print, color combination, designer buttons, Chinese collar, excellent piece. ये आपको 1200-1500 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. That kind of quality it is, and we are going to give you only for 500 rupees. I have customers coming in like, you know, browsing something like, अरे 500 में ले लो, अरे 500, only 500. Wow यार, you don't get legging for 500 ma'am. You're getting great kurtis for 500.
Yes.
That's the reason for new customers we have also put in a board stating that, you know, kurtis 500 only. Now the star sign is why? Because 95% we have 950 की variety जो है हम 500 में बेचते हैं.
Okay.
We have few more varieties which are actually costing 1250, 1500, which we are selling it for 750. Very few, but 95% 500 only. 95%.
Okay.
I'm very clear because we don't want any kind of mismarry or so. We are very transparent to our customers. That's the reason we are in the market today, ma'am. This is one of the pastel color, one of the beautiful color. You wear it on any legging, it will look really great. Now this is also, you know, great print. ये पहनने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमें, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The kind of design it is, the kind of comfort, बहुत comfortable. क्योंकि कभी यूं रहता नहीं, बहुत comfortable रहता है. You can there are pockets also. You can put cell phone, cash or something like that. This I have shown you. I'll show you some more variety, ma'am. That side. Alright, as I promised you, आज मैं आपको minimum 50 samples दिखाने वाला हूँ. So if you like it, you can, you know, screenshot it. Alright, now see, this is one of the beautiful variety. We have been selling excellent kind of a quality, this and most fast moving article. This has a designer buttons again. Beautiful variety, excellent quality. Even after wash, this stays the same. No color fade, no shrinkage, nothing. ये आपको 950-1000 रुपए से कम नहीं मिलने वाला है. We are going to give you only for 500. Now see, this is one of the beautiful variety. This is called shirting material. जो हम shirts पहनते हैं ना, वैसे टाइप का material है. ये बहुत कम लोग बनाते हैं. It's only the branded they you know, use this kind of material, that too very limited, and they sell it not less than 2000 rupees. I've seen it, and you will not get in normal market. See, with this embroidery work, beautiful finishing. आप इसकी finishing देख सकते हैं, इसका color combination, neatness, excellent, and you're going to get you only for 500 rupees. 500 rupees is a dream come true. I'm telling you, you'll not get in dreams also. Why I'm using this word dreams? It's a fact. It's a fact. See here, I mean, ये sleeveless है ma'am. All right, people can wear it. Sleeveless also. If you want hands are there inside with piping and all. So with excellent quality, अगर आपको stitch कराना है करा सकते हैं. Now if I show you, you see the interlocking system. Interlocking system हर कुर्ती में है. Each and every कुर्ती with double stitch, so कटने फटने का डर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. The kind of standards we have maintained with these kind of kurtis is like amazing. So quality, nothing to worry about it. We give you guarantee for the quality.
So size and online के बारे में एक बार.
Absolutely. As far as sizes are concerned, we have M, L, XL, double XL. All right, you will get all sizes here. Okay, and as far as online is concerned, I mean, it's a good news for you guys because we have started online from this month. So in case if you want to order, you can screenshot, or we can set up a video call also in case if you want to buy more or so, or if you want to see more variety. So the condition is like minimum 5 kurtis, which is very reasonable because sending one kurti is not feasible for us also because we are giving you direct manufacturing price. अगर आप 5 कुर्ती भी लोगे, अगर बाहर जाके लोगे तो आपको 2 कुर्ती मिलेगी, तो 3 कुर्तीज का आपको फायदा है, प्रॉफिट है. See, profit हमारे कस्टमर्स को मिले, हमारा वही गोल है. Now if 5 kurtis is minimum order quantity, 200 rupees is the shipping charge, ma'am. Now if you buy 10 kurtis, 20 kurtis, 30 kurtis, shipping charge will be 200 only.
Okay.
The rest we'll bear it.
Okay.
You have nothing to worry about it.
Okay.
And we can accept orders anywhere in India.
Okay.
All right. So you can give us a call. We'll set up a video call, or you can screenshot.
Okay.
Now let's start with this kind of kurti. This is one of the designer piece with designer buttons, ma'am. excellent quality. Again, this is a mill washing, mill processing, no color fade, no shrinkage. मैं क्यों repeat कर रहा हूँ? Because this is a very important factor, man. At times कुछ customers ऐसे skip करते जाते हैं, so they miss on these important points. So I'll request you don't miss on, because each and every information will benefit you. Now see, this is one of the floral print, excellent quality, very soft cotton, excellent piece. You can wear it on any legging with simple buttons, wooden buttons. Quality is great. ये भी 950-1000 रुपए का पीस है, आपको सब 500 में आएगा. मैं जो अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ पूरे 500 रुपीज में आने वाले हैं आपको. This is one of this beautiful kurti with stripes. Again, you can wear it on any legging, golden, white, black. You can wear it on jeans.
Yeah.
आप जीन्स पे पहनिए, हमारे घर में जीन्स पहना, कोई भी कुर्ती डालो, कोई भी कुर्ती आप जीन्स पे डाल दो, इट विल लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल,
परफेक्ट हो जाएगा,
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं आएगा. नाउ दिस इज वन ऑफ द पेस्टल कलर, वन ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स. वी हैव पिंक कलर in this which is high in demand. Even this also we are pista green color है, again foil print है. foil print में कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको नहीं देगा, जैसे मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. Now these kind of designer buttons are there. It will look excellent, it will look great. आप छोटे मोटे पार्टीज में पहनिए, आप रेगुलर वेयर कीजिए, बिकॉज वी हैव कॉर्पोरेट कस्टमर्स, यू नो, इफ दे हैव 10-12 कुर्तीज दे बाय फ्रॉम अस, सो देयर इज अ टेंडेंसी दैट एवरी वीक और 10 डेज में वो कुर्ती रिपीट होनी है. एवरी वीक रिपीट होती है कुर्ती, तो आप उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी का अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि अगर हर हफ्ते कुर्ती धुलती है तो उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी क्या रहेगी. But it's value for money. It's value for money, and you are getting kurtis at a price of a legging. Honestly, I'm saying a legging. If you introspect, if you think, you know, if you think, you will understand what I'm saying, and our customers will get benefit, man. Now this is also beautiful color, grey color kurti hai. Again foil printing with designer buttons, excellent piece, one of the fast moving articles. Pastel color में और एक ये है peach color. This is also very nice quality. This piece is double XL. Okay. Alright. So एक double XL आ गया, तो हमारे पास M है, L है, XL है, double XL है. 4 साइजेस मिलने वाले हैं आपको, and these 4 sizes is going to cost you 500 rupees only. Now we have 3XL also. 3XL. Yeah, we have 3XL also, but we have limited variety. For example, we have around, just समझो इसमें 100 variety है, तो उसमें 20 से 20 to 30 piece of variety we try and maintain it. उसका costing बहुत high जा रहा है, but still we have restrained ourselves to you know, serve our customers, and that's going to cost you 600. I'm giving you clear picture, so there is no confusion, though there is no misunderstanding between our customers. So we are very transparent, very clear about this. और 600 में नहीं मिलने वाला है वो. हम समझो ना, हम आपको कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट ही दे रहे हैं. इट्स जस्ट टू सर्व आवर कस्टमर्स. कोई 3XL आता है, मुझे 3XL दो, चलो ठीक है, नहीं कमाया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. तो पहले हम लोग उनको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्राइस दे रहे हैं. सी, दिस इज वन ऑफ द पेस्टल कलर्स, ब्यूटीफुल कलर्स विद डिजाइनर बटन्स, लॉट ऑफ वर्क हियर, ब्यूटीफुल आर्टिकल्स. नाउ दिस इज वन ऑफ द ब्लू कलर में मैक्सिमम फास्ट दिखाते जाता हूँ, तो कस्टमर्स कैन स्क्रीनशॉट और you know check all these kind of variety. Again designer kurtis, designer buttons, these are very nice. देख, आप रेगुलर ऑफिस वेयर, रेगुलर वेयर के लिए पहनिए, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी थी इसकी बहुत ड्यूरेबल है. Even in blue we have a different kind of, now this kind of print is one of the designer piece I've seen online, which was costing around 1050. And what rates I'm saying, what I see online, because we always research, ma'am. Because research plays a vital role in our success and our customers satisfaction also. See, this is one of the corporate kurti, आप regular भी पहन सकते हैं, हमारे घर में भी पहनते हैं. It's so comfortable, so durable. आप wash करो पहनो, wash करो पहनो. And these has pockets also. These are in, pockets are आजकल बहुत in है. People they ask for more pockets. Even this is pocket वाला है, but again the print and designing and everything is totally different. Alright, now this is one of the kurtis which we have been selling since a long time, but still in demand. Because ये कुर्ती 1000 रुपए से कम नहीं मिलती, हम 500 में देते, तो customers they buy like anything. आप पहन के थक जाओगे. You know, इतनी durability है. That's what I'm saying. Now I'll show you one of designer piece. See, this is also one of the designer pieces. Online आपको वही, ये 1250 का मैंने online check किया था मैम. I'm going to give you only for 500 rupees. अभी वो जो ग्रीन कलर मैंने आपको बताया था, पिंक कलर,
ओके,
अभी ये है, ये पर्टिकुलर पीस इज कॉल्ड फ्लेक्स कॉटन मैम. अगेन वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी, एक्सेलेंट क्वालिटी. फ्लेक्स कॉटन बहुत अच्छा कॉटन है, बहुत अच्छा चलता है, इसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी बहुत ग्रेट रहती है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन बांधनी प्रिंट. बांधनी प्रिंट है. दिस इज ऑल्सो न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट है मैम. कॉटन पे बांधनी प्रिंट है विथ द काइंड ऑफ मार्बल बटन्स आर देयर. इफ यू सी इट लुक्स सो एलिगेंट, सो ब्यूटीफुल विथ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फॉइल प्रिंटिंग इज देयर मैम. ये प्रिंट है. अगेन ये प्रिंट जाएगा नहीं बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट टेबल प्रिंटिंग, दिस इज मिल प्रिंटिंग. सो एज फार एज क्वालिटी इज कंसर्न उसकी गारंटीड है. आपको फिक्र करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. इवन आफ्टर वॉश इट स्टेज द सेम. इवन आफ्टर वॉश द काइंड ऑफ ड्यूरेबिलिटी you will get up to the mark. Now I'm showing you 2-3 more models और दिखा देता हूँ आपको आइडिया के. this is one of the pastel colors, again ikat print, excellent piece, fast moving article. People they prefer this kind of kurtis. This is again print पे है black color. I'll show you this multi color print है. You can wear it on any kind of legging, it will look beautiful. The kind of buttons इसमें जो लगाए गए मैम, ये डिजाइनर बटन्स है. जो आप ये बटन देख रहे हैं ना, these are show buttons. In sense कुर्ती ओपन नहीं होएगा.
शो बटन.
ये स्टाइल ही वैसा है. आजकल बहुत चल रहा है, रेगुलर की बहुत चल रहा है. ऑफिस में पहनो, इट लुक सो एलिगेंट, सो ब्यूटीफुल, प्रेजेंटेबल, इट लुक वेरी वेरी नाइस. ना एक 2-3 वैरायटी में आपको 750 वाली बताने वाला हूँ जो हम 750 में बेचते हैं. ये हमारे कस्टमर्स बाहर आपको 2000-2500 से कम नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि इसमें वर्क किया गया है. ठीक है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. This is actual 1250 is a price. We are going to give you for 750, but market big brands is 2250 now. See, if you closely आप दिखाएंगे, the kind of zari work is there. See this, beautiful, beautiful. ऐसा काम आपको कम से कम 2200 से कम नहीं मिलने वाला. And I'm going to provide you only for 750. We are going to give you direct manufacturing price.
शेड
So
बहुत अच्छा है.
beautiful material, excellent quality, excellent designing with, see the lot of work. If you feel with the hand, you will get an idea. Even this you can wash it normal wash मैम. आपको कोई खास ड्राई क्लीनिंग या देने की जरूरत नहीं, घर में आप धो सकते हैं. ऐसी टाइप की वैरायटी है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द अगेन यू नो द काइंड ऑफ वर्क ये है. So even this is one of the designer piece which will not cost you less than 2200 in the market. In big brands, I'm going to we manufacture for you, so customer get benefit. ये आप पार्टी में पहनो, कहीं पे भी पहनिए, it will look grand. If anybody ask you, अरे मैं बोलना मैंने 2200 में खरीदा है, they'll believe it. I'm going to give you manufacturing price and that is going to be 750 rupees only. This is one more design in this. All three are unique. कभी कभी स्टॉक आता नहीं है. आप ये देखिए. This I'm showing you double XL का पीस है. अभी have M, L, XL, double XL. Even in these pieces we have 3XL also. Now this price is 750. In this particular model 750 ही price है M से 3XL. There is no price change. See this, the kind of work, kind of finishing, kind of quality is a beautiful quality, excellent kind of variety we have. So I think I've kept my promise. I've shown you more than 50 plus models, so you get a clear picture what exactly we have and what kind of price we are offering you. If you know like any of the things, you can screenshot and send it to us. Again, I'll repeat it. Good news for online all over India. We can supply minimum order quantity will be 5 pieces only, which is nothing. 500 रुपए में एक कुर्ती मिलेगा. 2500 का तो आपका बिल होएगा 200 रुपए. 200 rupees will be shipping charges. If you're buying more, still shipping charges will be 200 only. Rest we'll pay from our pocket. से समझो 10,000 का बिल है. I have customers asking for send me 30 kurtis, 40 kurtis because they know अगर वो 30 कुर्ती भी लेंगे तो बाहर उनको 10 भी नहीं मिलने वाली मैम, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेनिफिट मिल रहा है हमारे कस्टमर्स को. एंड फॉर लोकल कस्टमर्स प्लीज विजिट आवर स्टोर. अभी नया स्टॉक आया हुआ है. डोंट मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी, डोंट मिस दिस न्यू काइंड ऑफ वैरायटी बिकॉज दशहरा इज अप, फेस्टिवल इज अप. सो वी हैव हमारे पास कम से कम आप आओगे ना, कम से कम 100 प्लस वैरायटी आपको मिनिमम दिखाई देगी. ठीक है. सो डोंट मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी. डू विजिट एट आवर प्लेस. वी आर लोकेटेड एट सरत सिटी कैपिटल मॉल, right, one of the India's largest mall. We are it's opposite Kottagoda Chaurasta. It's in Kondapur. 4th floor पे आइए. डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर दिया गया है. इन केस इफ यू फेस एनी इशू यू कैन कॉल अस, वील गाइड यू. ऑलराइट. सो थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
थैंक यू सर. इतना अच्छा रीजनेबल कुर्ती सा ममता स्टोर से दे दिया और एक बार हमारा फॉलोअर्स के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू.
और ये टाइम पे ऑनलाइन भी दे दिया, ये अच्छी बात है एक्चुअली.
हाँ, लास्ट टाइम ने आपने इंसिस्ट किया था तो मैं बोला नहीं
Yeah.
वी नीड टू रेस्पेक्ट योर वर्ड एंड रेस्पेक्ट योर सब्सक्राइबर्स आल्सो.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ దట్ ఆల్సో సర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు షాప్ ఉండి మీ బిజినెస్ని కనుక మా ఛానల్స్లో ప్రమోట్ చేయించుకోవాలనుకుంటే కనుక ఈ క్రింది ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చండి. సో డెఫినెట్గా మేమే వచ్చి మీకు షూట్ చేసి ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము.